Welcome back to Anytime Tech. Today, we have an exciting battle between two popular Samsung TVs, the BU8000 and the CU8000. In this video we'll explore their features, picture quality, sound performance, and more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Any products mentioned in this video can be purchased from the link in the description below. Starting off with the design, the Samsung BU8000 and CU8000 each bring their own distinctive aesthetic to the table. The BU8000 embraces a more traditional approach with its slightly thicker bezel, giving it a classic and timeless look that seamlessly blends into any home decor. On the other hand, the CU8000 takes a bold step towards modernity with its sleek and slim design, featuring a thinner bezel that exudes a sense of elegance and sophistication. Whether you prefer a TV that complements a more traditional setting or one that adds a contemporary touch to your living space, both the BU8000 and CU8000 have you covered with their visually appealing designs. When it comes to the display, both TVs deliver a captivating visual experience with their 4K UHD resolution and VA panel technology, ensuring exceptional clarity and detail in every frame. However, it's the CU8000 that truly shines in this department, thanks to its higher peak brightness capability of up to 300 nits, surpassing the BU8000's 250 nits. This elevated brightness level allows the CU8000 to showcase brighter and more vibrant images, particularly when engaging with high dynamic range (HDR) content, where the contrast between bright and dark elements is accentuated for a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're delving into the vast landscapes of nature documentaries or experiencing the intense action of blockbuster movies, the CU8000's higher peak brightness ensures that every scene pops with vivid colors and enhanced visual impact. When it comes to picture quality, the Samsung CU8000 truly shines, taking the lead with its wider color gamut that covers an impressive 95% of the DCI-P3 spectrum. This means that the CU8000 is capable of displaying a broader and more diverse range of colors, allowing you to experience movies, shows, and other content with a level of vibrancy and realism that is truly captivating. The expanded color gamut of the CU8000 ensures that subtle nuances and shades are accurately reproduced, creating a more immersive and lifelike viewing experience. Whether you're witnessing the rich and deep hues of a sunset, the vivid color of a vibrant cityscape, or the delicate tones of a breathtaking nature scene, the CU8000's wider color gamut adds depth and authenticity to every frame, ensuring that your favorite content is presented with stunning visual fidelity. Both the Samsung BU8000 and CU8000 offer excellent HDR support. The CU8000 takes it a step further by supporting advanced HDR formats like HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, unlocking enhanced contrast, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Meanwhile, the BU8000 supports HDR10, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of HDR content. When it comes to performance, both the Samsung BU8000 and CU8000 are powered by Samsung's advanced Crystal Processor 4K, ensuring smooth operation and efficient processing of content. However, it's worth noting that the CU8000 takes a step ahead with a newer version of this processor, offering improved upscaling capabilities. With this enhanced upscaling engine, the CU8000 excels at transforming lower resolution content into a sharper and more detailed image, allowing you to enjoy a clearer and more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching your favorite TV shows, streaming movies, or playing video games, the CU8000's advanced upscaling technology works behind the scenes to optimize the visual quality, ensuring that even non-4K content looks its best on the screen. So, if you frequently watch content in various resolutions or have a collection of older movies or TV shows, the CU8000's superior upscaling capabilities will ensure that you don't miss out on any details, bringing a new level of clarity and realism to your entertainment. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you'll appreciate the CU8000's dedicated game mode. By reducing input lag, this feature ensures a more responsive gaming experience, making those intense gaming sessions even more enjoyable. Unfortunately, the BU8000 doesn't offer a dedicated game mode, but it still offers satisfactory gaming performance. In terms of sound, the Samsung CU8000 takes a slight lead with its 2.2-channel speaker system and 20 W of power, offering a more immersive audio experience. The BU8000, on the other hand, features a 2.0-channel configuration with 10 W of power, delivering decent sound quality but not quite matching the CU8000's depth and richness. In terms of connectivity, both models offer a range of ports, including HDMI and USB, allowing you to connect various devices seamlessly. However, the CU8000 has an extra Ethernet port, providing an additional option for stable wired internet connectivity. Smart TV features play a crucial role in our digital lives, and both the BU8000 and CU8000 excel in this area. Powered by Samsung's Tizen operating system, they provide a user-friendly interface and access to a plethora of apps and streaming services. From Netflix to YouTube, you'll have a world of entertainment at your fingertips. So, which TV is right for you? It ultimately depends on your priorities and budget. If you crave the best picture quality, advanced features, and immersive sound, the CU8000 is the clear winner. However, if you're looking for a solid performer with a more affordable price tag, the BU8000 still offers excellent value for the price. That's all we have for the Samsung BU8000 versus Samsung CU8000. We hope you found this video helpful in choosing which TV to buy next. If you are interested in purchasing any of these TVs, you can click the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.